Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Henry, a security consultant and computer analyst programmer, and a holder of the CSSLP, Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional Certification. I look forward to sharing knowledge and experiences with you. Welcome to my course on secure software requirements, the second domain of the CSSLP certification. This course will help you gather functional and security requirements to support software development projects and assist you in preparing for the CSSLP examination. Software projects often fail due to poor requirements gathering. This impacts both the function and security of the software. Through this course, you'll learn the process of effective requirements gathering. We'll cover gathering software requirements, data classification requirements, and managing data protection requirements. By the end of this course, you'll be prepared to progress into the next domain of the CSSLP, Secure Software Architecture and Design. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the value, benefits, and features of the secure software lifecycle and the role you can play in this exciting and rewarding field through this course at Pluralsight.